Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will be solving tough engineering mechanics problems. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's problem is determine the horizontal force P required to keep the homogeneous 30 kg cylinder in equilibrium on the rough inclined surface. So in this problem, given a homogeneous 30 kg cylinder whose radius is 0.5 meter and it is resting on a rough inclined plane, and plane is at 35 degrees with the horizontal. So in this problem we need to find the P required to keep this cylinder in equilibrium. Let us see in the coming slides how to solve this problem. Mass of the cylinder given is 30 kg. If you convert that into weight, it will become W equal to 30 into 9.81 Newton. So the weight W will be acting downwards vertically from the center of the cylinder, and a force P is applied horizontally. Since this angle is 35 degrees, this angle is also 35 degrees from this plane. So the weight W is acting downwards. If we draw a plane that is perpendicular to this inclination, and this angle between this weight W and that vertical plane, that perpendicular plane, will be again 35 degrees. So since it is a rough inclined plane, so there will be frictional force acting towards this direction, and there will be a normal force. We are not drawing here in the free bar diagram since our interest is to calculate only P. So we can calculate that very simple. Let us see in the coming slide how to calculate that. Radius of the cylinder is 0.5 meter. So from O to B, that length will be 0.5 meter. And let us define this Y and X. Since this angle is 35 degrees, X will be 0.5 sin 35 and Y will be 0.5 cos 35. Now let us take moments about point B. So about point B, we have horizontal force acting like this, and horizontal force multiplied by this distance Y, it will be clockwise direction. So P into Y, that is clockwise direction, plus W weight is acting downwards, and distance between B and this vertical will be X. So the moment about B due to W will be W into X, that will be counterclockwise direction. So the summation should be 0 in order for the cylinder to be in equilibrium. Now let us substitute the values. So P into 0.5 cos 35, that is for Y, and minus W into 0.5 sin 35, that is for X. So we are taking here negative because counterclockwise moment we are taking negative. So from this, after simplification, we get P equal to 206.1 Newton. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.